Welcome back to my returning viewers and subscribers. If this is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. Thank you so much for watching. Today's recipe is 4 simple breakfast ideas or recipes. And the first one to begin with is my sandwich. For this sandwich, you'll be needing your whole grain bread or any other bread. I have my hard-cooked egg, salad, lettuce salad, or any other garbage salad is perfect, sliced cheese, cut herbs, and butter to spread on your bread. Now to finish it up, I went in with some salt and cracked pepper. That's how simple it is. Our sandwich is ready to be enjoyed in no time. My second breakfast recipe for you today is my pumpkin, or better still call it high protein pancake. To get that done, I need a pumpkin puree. For that, I will go ahead and peel off my fresh pumpkin, cut, steam until it is nice and soft. Then you want to move on to mix, and that's all you need to get your homemade pumpkin puree done at home, or better still get your pumpkin puree in any of the grocery shop out there. Now, all we need for our pancake is 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt, a scoop of any of your protein powder, or better still go for powdered milk. That's about 30 grams of protein powder. You need vanilla sugar, just some pinch of vanilla sugar or vanilla essence, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half cup of your pumpkin puree, pinch of salt, and 1.5 tablespoons of flour. To begin with, you want to go in on a low heat to make sure it is all well cooked both sides, and if possible, please go for non-stickable pan. This is the finished look of my pancake. To plate, you want to go in with any available berries. I plated with blueberries, cube of butter, and honey. It is very simple, full of nutrients and vitamins, so delicious. Thank you all so much for watching to this point. If you haven't give this video a thumbs up, please kindly do so to promote this channel. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Hit the notification bell. You will be among the first person to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you all so much for doing that. My third easy healthy breakfast idea for you today is my muesli, and for that the ingredients are quick oats. I have 0.1% yogurt, banana, apple, blueberries, grapes. I have tangerine, chia seed, and almond seed. To finish this up, I love to go in with small amount of oat milk or any other milk. This is to lighten it up to achieve that nice creamy consistency of muesli bowl. It is the fastest, the easiest, and the most delicious breakfast you will always want to have all week through. My fourth and last breakfast idea for you today is my scrambled eggs and yams. For that, the ingredients are 3 eggs, pinch of white pepper, seasoning powder, milk, and cold cut yams. I'll plate my scrambled egg with some avocado slice, some slice of wheat whole grain bread, and that's how simple it is. I hope you try any of those 4 breakfast recipe out, and thank you all so much for watching thus far. I appreciate you so much. To my new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more interesting future content. Hit the notification bell and you will be among the first person to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you all so much. Don't forget to like this video. Don't go without liking. Share with your loved ones, and see you in my next one. Bye for now.